So we start out today's video with this pixie haircut transformation. She's got about mid-length hair or so. So after doing a little bit of DIY cutting, the stylist does clean her up. And the inspiration was kind of like a messy, chic, curly pixie style. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. This is a great wash and go option for curly girls. I absolutely love this. Her texture looks amazing. Such a cute makeover. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more of your favorites, long to short hair makeovers. So we move on to number 2. Looks like he might be doing a bob for this one. Looks like he is adding in some layers. Oh, he did like an angled bob. Oh, this is brilliant. I love the pop of color that she has. It's like red streaks that are very subtle. This is stunning, very cute. She has so much volume within this cut too. The hair just looks so flowy and nice and volumized. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, so you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we move on to makeover number 3. Looks like she might also be getting a bob here, cutting off quite a bit of hair. Ooh, she's going even shorter with the pixie. So it looks like she did an asymmetrical pixie look. Hair longer in the front, longer on one side versus the other. Beautiful, modern, sassy pixie style. I love it. So moving right along to the next transformation. So it looks like she might be getting a pixie for this one as well. Oh, beautiful shape. Her all white hair color just looks so pretty with this pixie. Longer bangs in the front yet again. She has so much volume here. This is just absolutely beautiful. Such a gorgeous, chic pixie style. Alright, so we have another long to short. She looks like she has about mid-back length or so hair. Stylist cuts off the 2 ponytails. Another long to pixie transformation. Wow, a lot of pixies for this video. So she does another gorgeous asymmetrical shape here. Now what's great about this particular pixie style is that it allows for a lot of style options, a lot of versatility, and the bangs are kept longer in the front to just kind of frame out the face. Gorgeous shape overall. I also feel like this haircut made her look younger. So moving on to our last transformation, she's got some beautiful natural curly hair here. Oh, another pixie. Wow, look how thick her hair is. So there is the before. And there is the after. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all of these gorgeous long to short hair transformations. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.